Hello, everyone. Glory, glory, and honor to God the Most High. It is great to be back here again. For the past few weeks, I have been away seeking the Lord. I was also up and down traveling for family matters as well. And I was in a heated battle with the devil too. There are times when I get fought a lot by the devil. The spiritual warfare sometimes overwhelms me, but I always come out a victor because greater is the Lord that is in me than he that is in the world. Talking to you like this, making these videos, sharing what the Lord reveals, and praying for people comes with a price. The devil doesn't like to be exposed. He will try to pull you back in every way possible, but the Lord is a great comforter. He is my strength, He is my shield, and my greatest support. And I have been able to endure a lot of things because He is with me. Otherwise, I would have given up by now. But no, it is good to be back. I have been strengthened even more now. And I will be talking a lot more than I used to before. So I thank God for that rejuvenation. He is amazing, and I just love Him more and more every day. So today, I want to share with you a dream that I had a few days ago, and it was about Kundalini. I did not know about Kundalini, and I had never heard that word until the Lord brought it to my attention in a dream. So in this dream, I saw myself waiting in a queue to get in a house where people were practicing Kundalini. And in this queue, I noticed a lot of Indian people, more than any other race. There were a few white people, but a lot of people were Indians. So I was waiting in the queue, and finally, I got in that house, and there was an instructor who was teaching people how to do Kundalini. She gave me something to drink and then told me to sit on the floor. I sat down on the floor, but the moment I sat down, a light appeared on my right hand side, and I closed my eyes. So the instructor started telling me what to do, like take a deep breath, position yourself like this and that, and so on. And at the same time, that light that had appeared on my right hand side was telling me that I was not supposed to be doing that, and it's straight from the kingdom of darkness. So at that moment, the instructor asked me why I was not following instructions. And then I said, wait a minute, the Lord is speaking. I closed my eyes again, and all I could hear from that light was, do not do Kundalini. It is evil, and it's straight from the kingdom of darkness. So I opened my eyes, and then I stood up, and then I said to the instructor, I am sorry, I do not want to do Kundalini. And then I started telling everyone to get out of that house, and that the Lord said it is evil, and it's straight from the kingdom of darkness. I went outside the house where a lot of people were queuing up to get inside. And then I started telling them not to do Kundalini. And that was the end of that dream. So when I woke up, I looked up the word Kundalini, and I found out that it's some sort of process or some kind of yoga that is done to awaken a subtle energy that lies dormant at the base of the spine. That is, if there is anything like that. I tried to research more about it, and I really could not understand anything at all, what it really is and why people practice it. I was even asking the Lord how I'm supposed to talk about something that I do not even understand. I tried to check what it is all about, but I could not understand a thing. I was coming across words that I do not understand at all, like mantra, chakra, shakti, and a lot more. And I did not understand anything. I guess this whole Kundalini thing is some sort of Indian mysticism, which might be the reason why the Lord showed me a lot of Indian people queuing up for it in the dream. So this is a message from the Lord to people who know what Kundalini is and are practicing it. And the Lord is saying that it is evil and straight from the kingdom of darkness, and you are not supposed to do it. I wish I could comment more about it, but I do not know much about this. This was a tough one for me. I'm just like a kid who has been sent to announce something that they do not know about. So if you do not know about Kundalini, definitely this message is not for you. And if you come across it now, you know that this is something evil and you are not supposed to do it. And if you know what it is, and if you are doing it, please hearken to the words of the Lord. It is evil and straight from the kingdom of darkness. Do not do this. Please repent from it as soon as possible. And if you have any doubts, seek the Lord about it. So that is all I have for today. Thank you very much for watching and have a blessed day.